Okay, I show in quick how to assemble the Epic paint stand. First, the back side have to be on the back, and from this place we have two different ones, the open one and the closed ones. And how I did it, it makes no big difference. I guess the open exactly the open one should be at the front side, so you can see the bottles through, and with the beautiful side to the front here like that, and the closed one at the back. And you cannot mount it the wrong way because this won't fit, so you have to glue it like that. So you attach wood glue, just any regular wood glue or express wood glue here, 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 and here. Or you can assemble, place the glue here and then press the part that way. So this part getting glued here. With this part the same, you attach wood glue and place it that way. Okay, and then before it dries, just take care that, kannst du ein bisschen weiter weggehen, ich will so sehen. Okay, like that. That this is in a straight angle, that you not glue it like that or like that, because you let it dry and then later on, this cover plates, depending onto the bottle sizes, you just loosen, attach on top of here. And if it's like that, then it won't fit. So just take care, it's a little bit like straight upside, here the same as well. And then you wait until this piece is dried. And you do the same again with all three plates, always the back side to the back, the closed one here, the open one here. And this you do 3 times, okay? And then at the end you have 3 pieces like that, glued and fixed together. Okay, then you have the side parts, and those parts are similar, right? Like this and like that. It just depends. Here you see it's exactly the same shape, the same geometry. You just have a different side where the engraving is. So the engraving should be outside, yeah? So if we place it, can you go a little bit more away so we can see everything? Okay. This is the left outside, and this one would be the right outside part. So, and take attention, we have here the gaps to place because we mount it like that. So the open side is to the upside, not vice versa, because we place the bottles from the top side inside. So like this. Okay, so you can place this part like that on the ground. And again, first attach wood glue here, or most easily here at the ground, at the side plate, and then you stick it inside like that. It's just a little bit hard because it's not glued now on my side here, but it should work like that. Okay, you glue it like that, and you do the same with this, with the center part and with the most upside part again. And if this, loosen it again, sorry. Whoa. Normally you should glue it together, but I want to just taking some sample print of the set, so I not want to glue it. Hello. No matter. Okay, you just place it like that, and at the end, you take this part, attach glue in all 3 positions, and then glue it on the top, and then you have it done. Yeah. That's all. So thank you.